Every long-lasting epoxy floor starts with proper preparation. In this 750 square foot project, we began with the full removal of existing VCT tiles. Using heavy-duty diamond grinders, we mechanically profiled the concrete to create the ideal surface for bonding. The entire area was thoroughly vacuumed and solvent wiped to remove all dust and contaminants. A 4-inch cove base was then installed to create a seamless transition from floor to wall, improving cleanability and durability. We applied a low viscosity primer to permeate deep into the concrete and prevent outgassing, followed by a high solids epoxy base coat. Decorative vinyl flakes were broadcast to fill in refusal, completely covering the surface to create a uniform texture and finish. After reclaiming excessive flakes, we applied a grout coat to lock everything in, followed by high-performance urethane top coat for long-term performance. The result is a seamless, slip-resistant floor built to handle heavy traffic, chemicals, and daily wear and cleaning.